So this is Moses Sadika, one of the top earners of Alliance in Motion Global. So I want to take you through how you are going to get started in the opportunity. So the first question is, how do you start? So you can start with three basic ways. Number one, you start by capital of 26,888, where you get just one account. Then number two, you can also start with 80,664,000 Kenya shillings, where you get yourself three accounts. Then number three, you can start with 180,216, where you get 7 accounts. Then lastly, you can start with 15 accounts, where you start with 403,302 Kenya shillings. That gives you 15 accounts. So this is how you are going to get started in the business. Now, second question is, what do you get after probably paying this money? So number one, you're going to get yourself this hamper containing a lot of products. Then we also have the business kit with it. Then number three, you also get the online accounts, which will help you guys to monitor how your team is growing and how you'll be earning. Then the third question that I want to answer is, how do you earn the money? So number one, you earn by what we call retail profit. So I'll simply explain it in a very simple way. For example, we have this particular product for the kids. I don't know if you remember it. This is the Kiddy 24/7. Now this product at the company, it goes for 650. When you sell it to the customer, you can sell it maybe at 1,000 shillings. That means automatically you've made a profit of 350. Now what if you sell 10 of them in a month? Already that is 3,500. If you sell 100 of them, of course, that is 35,000 Kenya shillings. So what really matters is the quantity that you are going to be selling. So that is the first way of earning. Then secondly, we have what we call the direct connector bonus, whereby anytime probably you have somebody who also wants to become a member, you can refer them, and for every person you get paid 1,800 Kenya shillings, which means if you are to refer 10 people, you get paid 18,000. If you refer 100 people, you get paid 180,000. So again, it all depends on the numbers. But our system is binary, which means you only need 2 guys below you. So this is how it looks like. We have a left and right. So you can only have one here, one on the other side. Which means if you have more than 2, you need to support either of these guys. You'll put them below this guy, or maybe below this guy, and that is what we call a spillover. Then the third way of earning that I'll share with you guys is what we call the pairing bonus, which is an amount of 4,800 Kenya shillings. And this is how it works. So just like I told you, the system is binary, which has 2 sides. So anytime you have one person here and one person here, the company pays you, of course, 1,800 plus another 4,800. So this is what we call the pairing bonus, which means in a month, if you have 10 people on your left, another 10 people on the left, automatically you make 48,000 Kenya shillings. If you have 100 people on the left, 100 people on the right, automatically you make 480,000. And as the number increases, of course, the earning also increases. Then lastly, I'll talk about how we are going to support you to recover the money in your first 1 month very quickly. So assuming this is you, then we have the left side and the right side. Then the first 1 week, we help you get just the first 2 people. Automatically the business pays you 8,400. Then the next week, we help you support these guys. They get another 2 each. The business is going to pay you 9,600. Then the third week, we support these 4 guys. They get 2 each. Automatically the business pays you 19,200, because now it is 4,800 times 4. Then lastly, the 4th week, we help these guys get 2, another 2 here, another 2 here, the same thing. And automatically, if you pair this, it is going to pay you 38,400 Kenya shillings, which means in the first 1 month, you can make up to 75,600 Kenya shillings. Now, what if you did a half of this? Automatically, you've recovered your money and you're running at a profit. So this is how you get started and how you earn.